about to get off at Dundee, and right now you currently join me at the vestibule where we are crossing the beautiful River Tay, which I'm going to take a picture of. There, I took a few.
We will shortly be arriving at Dundee.
And that is right. We are arriving at Dundee.
If you're leaving us here, please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you.
That is right. We've still got a long distance till we're at the other side though.
Thank you for travelling with LNER.
You're welcome, LNER. Your trains are absolutely fabulous. And we'll see you when we're approaching Dundee station.
To take all their personal belongings and all their luggage with them when alighting from the train.
Welcome to Dundee! Alright, about to depart now is the 11:46 LNER Azuma service from Leeds to Aberdeen, which was our train from Haymarket. Just getting the final whistles, the engine starting, and the train's ready to go to its next stop, Arbroath. Nice wave from the driver there. Yes, we were on this one for Crieff Hydro. I remember it was definitely 800-111. That was the second time I was on this unit. And there it goes off to Aberdeen, calling it Arbroath, Montrose, Stonehaven and Aberdeen. And now it is time to go to McDonald's for lunch. We'll see you after.